What's up, everybody? It's me, Brandon Green, owner of Goldelementautoworks. I just want to take a brief second just to say thank you for all the love and support that you all have given my business, Autoworks LLC. It's been a pleasure being there for those who have questions as to what their car is doing, why it's doing this, why it's doing that, how to fix it. Permanent solutions also to the popular active body control suspension issues that come along with many of these Mercedes. Even the customization, I've done a lot of customizing modifications to Mercedes, deviating from the original design. I've been there helping you guys with that too. And you all have been there for me because I don't know all the answers. And so oftentimes I put a problem out there and you all hit me up with solutions and things that you have done to resolve your issues. And so collectively, we have helped and supported each other, and I appreciate that. So my business is continuing to grow. I'm going to continue to be there for you all, putting videos and content out. If you go to my YouTube channel at Goldelementautoworks, I have new videos coming out every couple of days, and so I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna continue to have these cars coming in from out of town. Like this one is from Indiana. This one is from South Carolina. I just got rid of a couple that were from Texas. I have more coming in from Florida, from New York. People are reaching out to me, and I appreciate that. Thank you for all that you have been doing to make this business successful. Go to my website. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly, area code 513-967-8079. And let's continue to grow this community, this Mercedes community together. If you need coilover conversions, I'm here. If you need coilover kits, I'm here. Go to the website. If you have any questions about fixing or maintaining or customization to your Mercedes-Benz vehicle, reach out to me. I'm here. All right, you guys take care. I'll be in touch. Talk to you soon. Thank you.